Hello, everyone. Welcome back to FixGenie. Is your Lenovo laptop connected to Wi-Fi, but websites are not opening in Chrome, Edge, or any browser? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you two easy methods to fix this problem. First, click on Start button and open Settings. Go to Network and Internet Settings page. Click VPN. You'll see options like Allow VPN over metered networks and Allow VPN while roaming. If these options are enabled, disable them. Then go back to the Network and Internet Settings page and look for the Proxy option. Make sure to turn off the Use a Proxy Server option. Now go back and open Proxy. Turn Automatically Detect Settings on. If Use a Proxy Server is enabled, turn it off. Now open your browser again and check if the problem is fixed. If it's still not working, try the second option. Option 2, Network Reset. A quick note, please use this solution only after exhausting all other options, because resetting network settings will erase saved network data.
Open Settings. Go to Network and Internet. Scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Select Network Reset. Click Reset Now. Confirm the reset. Your laptop will restart automatically. After restarting, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and open your browser. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Lenovo laptop tutorials.